Hey, today the tech crew team will show you how to easily remove and replace JBL Quantum 200 wired over-ear gaming headsets old, broken earpads. Just do it yourself and save some money. Today's patient, as mentioned before, is JBL Quantum 200. These earpads, as you can see, are still fine, but we wanted to show you how to replace them, because some of our viewers asked to show that. This method also works if you're using JBL Quantum 300 headphones. We already replaced the broken 3.5mm 4-pole jack with microphone for these headphones. If yours is also broken, click more from Tech Crew and watch the video about how to easily change and fix 3.5mm plug in your headphones too. We have also rewired broken microphone cable and replaced it with a new one. Removing these JBL EarPad cushions is easy. Just stick your finger inside and slowly look for a place where they lift out nicely. Once the earpad is little loose, gently begin to pull it from that spot, but with feelings. Gently pull it off while moving around the circle. The earpad is being held by the plastic hooks. You just have to gently unhook the earpad. Well, wasn't that hard, was it? Everything seems to be intact. To put the new earpad on, you just have to hook it behind 6 plastic hooks that are in a circle. To make it easier, there are 2 center pins that you need to push into the earpad cushion itself. By centering the earpad on these pins, you'll get it precisely positioned, and you will only have to hook it behind the 6 plastic hooks, which we will do by pressing the earpad on these headphones. This process is much easier than removing the pads. And here's the result. It wasn't that difficult. You can also buy new earpads on Aliexpress. The links will be in the description.